Imagine this, by 2030, 30% of banking jobs could be obsolete, replaced by automation and artificial intelligence. This isn't just a wild guess, it's a startling reality that we're steadily approaching. The banking industry as we know it is transforming at a pace that's almost hard to keep up with. Now you might be wondering, why is this happening? It's because banks are investing heavily in automation and AI. These technologies are not just about replacing jobs. They're about enhancing efficiency, reducing errors, and delivering superior customer service. But on the flip side, they're making many traditional banking jobs redundant. Teller roles, for example, are being replaced by ATMs and online banking platforms. This shift towards technology is leading to significant changes in the sector. It's a wave of innovation that's not just changing the way we bank, but also the nature of banking jobs themselves. The future of banking looks very different from the past. The question is, are we ready for it? As we gaze into the crystal ball, several key challenges for banks emerge. Firstly, the transition to a digital-first world is no longer an option, but a necessity. Banks are expected to keep pace with the digital revolution, adapting their traditional systems and processes to a world where physical cash is becoming less prevalent. This transformation is not just about implementing new technologies, but fundamentally rethinking how they deliver services to their customers. Next, regulatory pressures continue to mount. Banks are under the microscope, with regulators demanding increased transparency, more robust risk management, and stricter compliance measures. This regulatory burden is not just about ticking boxes, it's about building trust in a sector that has been rocked by scandals and crises. Thirdly, the threat landscape is evolving. Cybersecurity breaches are not just a risk, but a reality in today's interconnected world. Banks are prime targets for cyber attacks, with potential repercussions going beyond financial losses to damaging trust and reputation. Staying one step ahead of these threats requires constant vigilance, cutting-edge technology, and a culture of security. Then there's the changing face of customer expectations. Today's customers are digitally savvy, demanding instant, seamless, and personalized services. They expect their banks to know them, understand them, and anticipate their needs. Falling short on these expectations can result in lost customers and missed opportunities. Lastly, competition is intensifying. The banking landscape is no longer dominated by a handful of giants. Fintech startups, non-banking financial companies, and even tech giants are entering the fray, offering innovative solutions and disrupting traditional business models. To stay competitive, banks must foster a culture of innovation, continually improving their products and services, and finding new ways to create value. These challenges represent a seismic shift for banks, requiring them to rethink their strategies, business models, and even their very role in society. So how can banks navigate these choppy waters? It's a question that looms large, but the answer often lies in adaptability and innovation. Firstly, investing in digital transformation is not merely an option, but an imperative. Banks need to harness cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence and blockchain to provide seamless, secure services to their customers. Secondly, developing new skills and capabilities is crucial. The banking professionals of tomorrow need to be tech-savvy, customer-focused, and agile. Thirdly, partnering with fintech companies can open up new avenues. These partnerships can help banks to deliver more personalized and efficient services, while also keeping pace with the rapid changes in the financial landscape. Lastly, a focus on innovation and customer centricity can differentiate a bank in this crowded marketplace. It's about understanding customer needs, creating unique solutions, and delivering unparalleled experiences. While the road ahead is fraught with challenges, it also presents exciting opportunities for those banks willing to embrace change. The banking industry is at a crossroads. To navigate the path ahead, staying informed is key. As we step into an era of rapid change, it's essential to keep your finger on the pulse of the industry. There's a wealth of information available at your fingertips to help you stay up to date. Industry reports, for instance, offer a deep dive into the current state and future projections of the banking landscape. They're a treasure trove of insights, from consumer behavior patterns to regulatory changes. News sites provide timely updates on everything happening in the world of banking. They're your daily dose of information, keeping you in the loop with the latest trends and developments. Webinars and conferences are platforms for learning and networking. They bring together thought leaders, industry experts, and peers to discuss the challenges and opportunities in banking. In the dynamic world of banking, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay ahead, and shape the future of banking.